The beauty industry in Kenya continues to grow as more people invest in personal grooming and self-care. Eyebrow shaping has become one of the most requested beauty services because well-shaped eyebrows improve facial appearance and boost confidence. Many women and an increasing number of men now visit beauty professionals regularly for eyebrow maintenance. This growing demand makes eyebrow shaping a profitable small business that can be started with relatively low capital. One of the biggest advantages of this business is that you do not need a large shop or expensive equipment to begin. You can start from a small beauty room, rent space inside an existing salon, offer mobile services, or even operate from home if local county regulations allow it. As your customer base grows, you can expand your services and eventually open a full beauty studio. Before investing your money, spend time learning the skill properly. Eyebrow shaping is more than removing unwanted hair. It involves understanding different face shapes, eyebrow symmetry, hygiene, customer preferences, and safe techniques. You can learn eyebrow shaping through a beauty school, vocational training center, or by taking a professional beauty course. Practical experience is very important because every client's eyebrows are different. There are several eyebrow shaping methods available. Threading is popular because it gives clean and precise results. Waxing is fast and suitable for clients who want smooth skin for a longer period. Tweezing is ideal for finishing and creating perfect eyebrow lines. Some beauty businesses also offer eyebrow tinting and brow lamination to increase their earnings. Learning more than one technique gives you an advantage over competitors and attracts more customers. Starting capital depends on the size of your business. A simple home-based eyebrow shaping business can be started with approximately between Kenya shillings 20,000 and Kenya shillings 60,000. This amount can cover quality tweezers, threading carton, waxing equipment, disposable applicators, antiseptic solutions, mirrors, gloves, a beauty chair, lighting, storage, branding materials, and initial marketing. If you decide to rent a commercial space inside a salon or shopping center, your startup costs will increase because of rent, deposits, licenses, and interior decoration. Choosing the right location plays a major role in your success. Busy shopping centers, residential estates, beauty salons, barbershops, universities, and business districts usually have many potential customers. If you operate from home, ensure your workspace is clean, professional, and easy for clients to access. Mobile eyebrow shaping services can also work well because many busy professionals prefer beauty treatments at home or in their offices. Good lighting is essential for eyebrow shaping. Natural light is excellent during the day, but a bright beauty lamp allows you to work accurately throughout the day. A comfortable beauty chair, a clean mirror, and organized tools create a professional environment that encourages customers to return. Hygiene should never be ignored. Every client expects clean tools and a safe environment. Wash your hands before every procedure, disinfect reusable tools properly, use disposable items whenever possible, and keep your workstation clean. Customers quickly lose confidence in businesses that appear unhygienic. A clean business also helps reduce the risk of infections and skin irritation. Pricing should be competitive while allowing you to make a profit. In many parts of Kenya, eyebrow shaping services usually cost between Kenya shillings 300 and Kenya shillings 1,000, depending on the location, experience, and technique used. Premium salons and beauty studios may charge more, especially when they combine eyebrow shaping with tinting or brow lamination. Study the prices charged by nearby businesses before setting your own rates. Customer service is one of the biggest factors that determine success. Listen carefully to what each client wants before beginning the procedure. Some clients prefer thick natural eyebrows, while others like thin, sharply defined brows. Explain what will suit their face shape while respecting their preferences. Friendly communication builds trust and increases customer loyalty. Marketing does not have to be expensive. Create business pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp Business. Post high-quality before and after photos of your work after receiving customer permission. Short videos showing the eyebrow shaping process often attract many viewers because people enjoy beauty transformations. Consistent posting helps build your reputation and attracts new customers. Offer promotions when launching your business. For example, you can give discounted eyebrow shaping during your first month, or create loyalty cards where every 6th visit receives a free service. Referral discounts also encourage satisfied clients to bring their friends and family. Your appearance also markets your business. Dress professionally, maintain neat personal grooming, and keep your workspace attractive. Customers often judge beauty professionals by how they present themselves. Looking professional gives clients confidence in your skills. Building strong relationships with customers creates repeat business. Remember your regular clients by name, ask about their preferred eyebrow style, and send friendly appointment reminders through WhatsApp. Excellent customer care often generates more referrals than paid advertising. As your business grows, consider adding complementary beauty services. These may include eyelash extensions, facial waxing, makeup application, skincare consultations, facial treatments, nail services, or brow tinting. Offering several services increases the amount each customer spends during a visit and reduces your dependence on a single source of income. Financial discipline is equally important. Separate your personal money from your business income. Record every sale and every expense, no matter how small. Good financial records help you understand your profits, plan future investments, and make better business decisions. Reinvest part of your profits into better equipment, advanced training, and improved marketing instead of spending all your earnings immediately. Registering your business also brings long-term benefits. A registered business builds customer confidence and allows you to work with landlords, suppliers, financial institutions, and corporate clients more easily. Depending on where you operate, you may also need the appropriate county business permits before opening your beauty business. Finding reliable suppliers helps maintain consistent service quality. Purchase professional beauty products from trusted wholesalers rather than choosing the cheapest products available. High-quality threading cotton, wax, tweezers, and skin care products produce better results and reduce the chances of skin irritation or customer complaints. Competition in the beauty industry is increasing, but there is still room for dedicated professionals who provide excellent service. Customers value cleanliness, punctuality, consistent quality, and friendly treatment more than low prices alone. If every customer leaves satisfied, they are likely to recommend your business to others. Technology can also make your work easier. Accept mobile money payments through M-Pesa, use digital appointment booking, and communicate with clients using WhatsApp Business. These simple tools improve convenience and make your business appear more professional. Challenges will arise, especially during the first few months. You may experience slow business, rising operating costs, or strong competition. Do not become discouraged. Continue improving your skills, promoting your services, and delivering excellent customer experiences. Many successful beauty entrepreneurs started with only a few clients before building thriving businesses. Starting an eyebrow shaping business in Kenya is a realistic opportunity for anyone willing to learn the skill, maintain high hygiene standards, and provide excellent customer service. With careful planning, reasonable startup capital, continuous learning, and consistent marketing, this small beauty business can grow into a reliable source of income and eventually become a successful beauty brand that serves hundreds of satisfied clients across your community.